Have you ever wondered how much a whale weighs, or how they communicate with each other? These colossal creatures hold many secrets beneath their aquatic abodes, so put on your explorer's hat and buckle up. Stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating world of whales. First off, let's tackle that weight question. Imagine the biggest thing you've ever seen. Now multiply that by about 100. That's a blue whale, the largest creature that's ever lived. We're talking up to 200,000 pounds and as long as 3 school buses. But not all whales are this massive. The dwarf sperm whale, for instance, is only about 8 feet long. That's about the size of a large sofa. So next time you're feeling heavy, remember, you're no match for a whale. Now about that communication question. Whales have a fascinating way of communicating. They use a complex system of clicks, whistles, and pulsed calls to talk to each other. Each sound serving a different purpose, from locating food to alerting others of predators. But here's a fun fact, some whales even sing. Particularly, the humpback whales are renowned for their lengthy and melodious songs. These underwater symphonies can be heard for miles underwater. So, whales aren't just big, they're big talkers too. But where did these giant creatures come from? Let's dive into the depths of time. Whales, believe it or not, evolved from a deer-like animal called Pakicetus, which lived around 50 million years ago. These ancient ancestors gradually adapted to life in water, their limbs turning into fins, their bodies growing sleek and streamlined. Over millions of years they've transformed into the titans of the deep we marvel at today. From land to sea, whales have an ancient tale to tell. From the poles to the tropics, whales inhabit every ocean. These majestic creatures have a knack for adapting to their surroundings, whether it's the icy waters of the Arctic or the warm, balmy seas of the Caribbean. Some species even undertake epic migrations, journeying thousands of miles each year in search of food or warmer waters for breeding. From the shallow coastal waters to the dark depths of the open sea, the world of whales is as diverse as it is vast. No matter where you go, there's a chance a whale has been there too. Ever heard a whale sing? Their songs are a symphony of the sea, a blend of clicks, whistles, and pulses. Each species has its unique melody, their complex language echoing beneath the waves. Some whales, like the humpback, compose intricate, evolving tunes that can last for hours. Blue whales, the giants of the ocean, communicate with deep, powerful moans that can travel hundreds of miles. It's a fascinating underwater concert, a testament to their intelligence and social nature. Whales might just be the ocean's greatest musicians. Believe it or not, whales play a crucial role in our planet's health. These magnificent creatures are vital to nutrient cycling. You see, when whales dive deep into the ocean and feed, they bring back nutrients to the surface. They then release these nutrients, which are vital for phytoplankton growth. And guess what? These tiny plants provide about half of the Earth's oxygen and are the base of the marine food chain. In short, whales help keep our planet alive. Unfortunately, whales face many threats in today's world. Hunting, once a major threat, continues in some parts of the world. Pollution too poses serious risks. Whales ingest plastic debris, and noise pollution interferes with their communication. Climate change, the silent killer, disrupts their food sources and alters their habitats. But perhaps the most insidious threat is our ignorance of their plight. As we learn more about these gentle giants of the sea, we realize the urgency of their situation. Without action, these magnificent creatures could disappear forever. Can you imagine a world without whales? Picture this. Our oceans devoid of these majestic creatures, their songs forever silenced. The ecological balance, disrupted. Whales play a crucial role in maintaining ocean health. Their absence would significantly affect marine biodiversity. And imagine the cultural loss. Whales have long inspired tales of adventure and awe. Their absence would leave a void in our collective mythology and storytelling. A world without whales is a world we don't want to see. So, what can we do to protect whales? A crucial question, and the answer lies in our everyday actions. We can reduce, reuse, and recycle, curtailing the amount of waste that ends up in our oceans. Let's be mindful of our seafood choices, supporting sustainable fishing practices. We can also donate to organizations dedicated to whale conservation. Even small actions like sharing knowledge about these majestic creatures can make a big difference. Together, we can ensure a future for whales. So what have we learned today? We've dived into the gigantic world of whales, explored their history, habitats, and unique sounds. We've also discovered the crucial role they play in our ecosystem and the threats they face. So next time you see a whale, remember, they're more than just big, they're amazing.